Alright, welcome back to the vlog. We're here for block 2 at the Tournament of Champions. We're currently in 21st place at plus 126. And for those that don't know, that's off of a 200 average. So for 6 games, I'm 126, basically over par. Kind of hoping to just build on that, fill in the gaps where we were kind of lacking last block and call it a day.
I'm back here and I'm back on. Stand up like backbone. I'm beast mode, I'm so strong. Go hard or go home. No stopping, I can't stop. I will not lose. I'ma always win. Now let the games begin now. I'm never off my grind. I'm always on time. I'm ahead of the game, I'm first place. I'm in my prime. Hard work that pays off. I pay dues, I'm paid off. Cross me, get crossed off. I'm so fresh, I'm so raw. Go hard like a day. It's game time like game day. I ball hard and clutch play. It's game time like game day. Now let the games begin. Now let the games begin. Now let the games begin. I'ma always win. It's game time and I'm up one. Name something I ain't done. Name a body that's my type. Air Jordan, I'll take flight. I'm next level, I'm franchise. I'm top tier, I'm that guy. I'm the man of the year. I'm a man with no fear. I think like I'm a shark. The way I move so sharp. I go hard for the team. That's how I play my part. I'm solid like the foundation. I'm dedicated to greatness. I always knew I would win. Now let the games begin. Now I'm never off my grind. I'm always on time. I'm ahead of the game. I'm first place. I'm in my prime. Hard work that pays off. I pay dues. I'm paid off. Cross me, get crossed off. I'm so fresh. I'm so raw. Go hard like a day. It's game time like game day. I ball hard and clutch play. It's game time like game day. Now let the games begin. Now let the games begin. Now let the games begin. I'ma always win.
Feeling it right now.
Good.
Wait, 90 something over for 2. Looks good. I'm making good moves. This is about the best I've felt all season. I'm throwing it good. I just got to play. I don't have to overthink about stuff. It's fantastic.
That's so good because you've said that for the last 2 weeks also.
Yeah.
You're just getting better and better.
We're getting there. I'm not getting in my own way this year, so that's really nice. But we are 220 over now through 8 games. No idea where that puts us. And I don't want you to tell me because it won't matter until showtime.
I'll find out for myself and I'll tell you.
Yeah. Jesse will update you guys. I'm just gonna focus on that. So hopefully we can keep this up. It's going well. Getting good reads from our ball reps. This is what it's all about. This is where we like to be.
Okay, so as you can see, 220 over for 8 games puts Darren at 6th place overall. He's doing pretty good. Let's hope he keeps it up, keeps it going.
I don't want to go back. Give it to me, I'm on.
Can you explain to me what is going on here?
I have lifesaver gummies, and every time Darren does a strike, I have to eat one. So we're gonna keep this rolling. Darren's got a double. Let's keep it going. Yay!
Hold tight, don't let go. Hold tight, don't let go. Yeah, don't let go. Enjoy the ride in your own metro. Forget the time, let go of that phone. Yes means yes, no means no. Is there a reason? I've been up working decent. Trying to do finest keepers. Boy, I swim on me even. What are you speaking? Kilo shit, that's something that you should know.
Okay. Well, sorry, Darren.
Hold tight, don't let go. Hold tight, don't let go. Hold tight, don't let go. Enjoy the ride. type, living that high life. Me and you running up for the right price. They will never see us coming, that's calm. That's why I sing this part like, woo! I don't wanna go back. Give it to me, I'm on. You should just know that. Tell me what you wanna do. I don't wanna go back. Give it to me, I'm on. You should just know that. Hold tight, don't let go. 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 just begun, living in the house of the rising sun.
190 the last game, made the turn and didn't really see what we wanted to see, so a little slow to make some changes. I think we had 117 over that block, so 243 overall. Should be sitting okay. I don't think scores were quite as high that block as the last. We just got to do a little bit better tomorrow. The good games were pretty good. The bad ones were just a little too bad. So it was really just that one in the middle, 170. Still feeling okay. Bounced back pretty quick from that. Not too mad. Obviously, we'd like a little more score, but you know, it is what it is. We got more work to do tomorrow. See you then.